Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. My name is C'Aira. For those of you who are new here, if you are new here, welcome, and if you're an old subscriber, welcome. In today's video, let's go ahead and put some ideas on the table for Vlogmas 2022. Yes, that's right, I said Vlogmas 2022. So of course, Vlogmas 2022 is almost here, and I know that a lot of you guys are almost excited. Matter of fact, you should be excited. So here we are. It's the birth of vlogging again every single day for the month of December, and you need some ideas, right? Look no further. I'll give them to you right here. So Vlogmas, for those of you who don't know and are brand new to this, Vlogmas is where you vlog every single day leading up until the day of Christmas. So on Christmas Day, Christmas evening, you can drop a Christmas vlog and, you know, every day vlog something. You can go live. Yes, you can go live. And break a habit of being shy and being not really as outgoing as others, but just break that habit, go live, and do what you gotta do. Idea number one I'm gonna start with is that you guys can do like a daily vlog. This could just be like a random day in your life. This could just be like, you know, what you did, what you plan to do, and things like that. Number two is a Christmas morning routine where you guys can, you know, just show everyone how your Christmas morning routine is going to go. You could do a Christmas Eve morning routine as well. Either way, it'll still be the same. Idea number three is where you can do a travel vlog, a holiday travel vlog. Now, traveling around the holidays, show it so that people can see what it's like to travel around the holiday time. Some people have family, you know, outside of where they're at, and they, you know, look to travel. But also, like, share some of your experiences, like traveling at Christmas times and staying at certain hotels and certain places, and things like that. Idea number four is a Christmas room or a room makeover. So make the house over, a certain room in your house, make it over using Christmas materials, so it could almost be like a decorate with me kind of thing. Idea number five is a Christmas playlist. You can't go wrong with some Christmas carols or some Christmas songs in a playlist to just let play around the holiday time, where you might have company over, or you might just want to get in the mood to decorate your house, a room, anything, or you just need to be in the cleaning spirit for Christmas. Idea number six is one of those ones that'll blow your mind. You believe it or not, people want to see exactly what you're getting other people. So it is a Christmas present haul. Show what you got you know, from someone else to you. Share, you know, what it is you're getting for a coworker, you name it. Idea number seven is a Christmas giveaway. A lot of people are entering the most exciting time of their life, and they want to show, you know, their viewers and subscribers support and love and appreciation by doing a Christmas giveaway. Idea number eight is to build a gingerbread house. You know, of course it would be absolutely fun to build a gingerbread house and film the whole process and make it into your Vlogmas. You can always like start the project through baking and preparing all the materials needed, and then like simply just buy a kit and decorate it right away. Idea number nine is a Christmas wish list, basically a gift guide. Film yourself giving somebody some ideas. You can be walking through like Target, Walmart, TJ Maxx, Marshalls, Hobby Lobby, you name it, and just like share some ideas of things that people can give to other people as gifts. Because Christmas is supposed to be about being cheerful, and it's the gift of giving. Idea number 10 is a gift wrap with me, where you guys can easily sit down and have a conversation while wrapping gifts, and it could go live. It's totally up to you. Doesn't have to be live, but it could be. Idea number 11 is a Christmas recipe or a snack idea, where you guys can show your Christmas recipes as well as your snack ideas. A lot of people want to see what it is you're making for Christmas, what it is you're, you know, what snacks you're creating. That way they can create them for their guests, and if they choose to get invited to parties or anything like that. Idea number 12 is a Christmas get ready with me. Of course, a lot of people have like work parties that they go to, or they have like family parties, family gatherings, you name it. So of course the typical get ready videos with, you know, are like, they're seeming to get old or fade out of YouTube, but for Vlogmas, it's never gonna get old, because people want to see, what are you putting on for a Christmas Eve party? What are you putting on to go over to a family gathering and things like that. Idea number 13 is a workout routine, Christmas edition, which just means, like, of course the holiday season is always crammed up with like plenty of parties, celebrations, you know, reflections on the years that have passed, and you know, keeping your fitness and health in you know, good tip-top shape is a great thing to do. It's very important, and this can just be shared with someone to help them stay in shape and find balance through the holidays. Idea number 14 is a declutter before Christmas. Who wouldn't love to see someone else cleaning their house? And motivation to get up and clean up their house. I know I would. So be sure to put out some declutter videos before Christmas and watch your numbers. Idea number 15 is outfit of the day. Outfit of the day, Christmas edition, is where you are planning the perfect Christmas outfit, where we all know, like, it can be tricky, and you know, you have a dress code, or you know, it's a certain theme to the date night or to a home gathering or a casual outing. Just show your outfit of the day and how you're getting yourself dressed and ready for these outings. Idea number 16 is a Christmas movie list. A lot of people just turn the TV on and watch whatever pops up Christmas-wise, but definitely make a list of Christmas movies that you want to make as a goal for yourself to watch this year for Christmas. And a lot of people, believe it or not, have not seen certain Christmas movies, so be sure to give them a good list of what to watch movie-wise for Christmas this year. Idea number 17 kind of like goes along with the outfit of the day, where in the get ready with me, where you guys are going to be showing, you know, like your Christmas Day outfit, or where you go for Christmas, or any events and anything that you go to during Vlogmas. Idea number 18 is a really good one, what I eat in a day, Christmas edition. A lot of people want to see what it is that you actually ate for Christmas, because a lot of people travel for breakfast, they do things at like lunchtime, and then they do things for dinner time. So you're eating out maybe at least 2 or 3 times during the week. But a lot of people are obsessed with what I eat in a day, because they want to see what it is you're eating, how much you're eating, and you know, it's very cool just to like try new diets and things like that, especially at Christmas time. Idea number 19 is like a tips to deal with holiday stress, where during the holidays, some people have lost people, some people are losing people, and you know, might be going through this, you might be going through that, you might be going through this, you might be going through that. And it's just a way to like uplift someone else's spirits out of, you know, what they might be going through. So just, you know, shed some tips and enlightenment on how to deal with holiday stress. Just to name a few others, you can do like last minute stocking stuffers for kids. You can do like elf on the shelf ideas, tips and thoughts. You can do a shop with me Christmas haul. You also can do like a productive day on Christmas. You can do plenty of bake with me's. You can do a snow day vlog if it snows in your area. You can do a what to get for my wife, what to get for my husband, what to get for my kids. A lot of those videos do good because a lot of people are wanting to see what other things are available before heading out to the stores to go buy them. You also can do a video on how to make extra money. So show someone how to make extra money if they have the time and if they would like to. Another video idea you can do is like a winter morning. This kind of relates to a snow day vlog. But you also can just show us like, what are you doing on a winter morning? And you could do some story times. Those are juicy. And you also can do like a teacher's gift idea, especially for people who don't know what to get the teachers. I know I'm one of them who is a teacher, and there's a lot of things that like most teachers do not want, because we have so many of them, right? We have like mugs, we have shirts, we have bags. It's just the little things that teachers appreciate, like, you know, what's their favorite animal, what's their favorite place to get drinks from. Like, gift cards are really where it's at nowadays with teachers. So you could do a rap with me. I've already talked about that before. So like I said, you either can go live or just choose not to go live. It's totally up to you. You can also do like a setting up your tree, where you show how you're going to be decorating your tree this year and what ideas you have for your tree. You also can do a hot cocoa make it with me video you can do, where you set up like your hot bar or hot cocoa bar. You can also do like a vlog on Black Friday shopping, decorating ornaments, holiday skits. I haven't ran across any of those, but I'm sure that they're funny. You can do a holiday gift guide for men or for women. You can do unpopular opinions, as well as winter snack ideas where the kids can easily get winter snacks. You can also find some do-it-yourself gift ideas, trying tic-tac. As far as finding or trying TikTok Christmas hacks. You can also do the Christmas tag. You can easily go to Google and type in the Christmas tag questions and easily get the questions printed off, and then you can do the video answering those questions and then tag 1 to 3 other people. You also can do a do-it-yourself holiday drink where you guys show off like one of your favorite holiday drinks. It could be alcoholic, it could be non-alcoholic, you name it. You know, what you got your kids for Christmas. You can do making a Christmas wreath. You also can do like a Christmas house tour. You can also do like a holiday makeup look and Christmas traditions and things like that. So honestly, Vlogmas is not even to where you have to vlog about Christmas or you know, making anything Christmas wise. It's just really you vlogging and uploading every day. So if you like this video, thumbs it up, comment down below what are you trying if you are participating in Vlogmas. I'm so used to saying Vlogtober. So if you are participating in Vlogmas, comment down below. Also, let me know what idea you would like to try for your channel. And if you would love to collab on a video, definitely comment down below and or message me over on Instagram at C'Aira_Davis94. And so with that being said, I hope that you all enjoyed this video. I hope I gave you plenty of Christmas Vlogmas ideas for 2022 to get you started. But nevertheless, I just finished Vlogtober and I am about ready to get started on some Christmas decor, bake with me's, Christmas day in my life, you name it. So stay tuned and be sure to let me know if you are participating so that I can come over and support your channel for the Vlogmas.